Well, that's what makes me laugh, Gav, is why do people pay money to go to a gym? Just go and do some fucking work, you lazy pricks.
How's it? Gavin Ace here from the old Parakao store. Bike's rolling, man. And today we're going to do a video on our, we picked up a lathe and a Hudson. So we're in the midst of trying to fix the Suburban. And we had to borrow a mate's car to go and get it. But yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and all that sort of carry on. And take it easy, mate. Look, we're off to go and get
Who's that fella?
34 Hudson 8. Linton's got to work, ute, but this is the ute. This is the wagon he keeps clean for picking up the woman and
Toils the other day.
Hey?
yeah.
What was that?
That on there for doing
Things
drive shafts and things.
Yeah. So you can hang it out the back.
A toolbox with some more bits and pieces in it.
One of these.
That's another steady there. Forge all the shut.
And these are all cutting enough pieces, eh? Is this the lathe brush?
Yeah. Not really.
These are cutting bits
You
here.
can have it if you want.
But you need those too.
Oh yeah, put those in there.
Cutting tools, yeah, you need those.
Yeah, the cutting tools here. The bits.
That's just a bit of
That would be.
shit we can throw in there.
I'm quite excited about that. I think something actually.
Oh, I tell you, mate,
Put fucking wood on it.
wonderful fucking things to
Put a
have.
bit of wood on it.
You can get real carried away with your speeds and feeds and all
Yeah.
that sort of crap, but I don't bother. I just use it manually.
Yeah.
You know, having all that shit on it if you're clever enough.
Yeah. I've got mates that are clever.
No.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have to use all the.
Don't have to say anything about it.
No, so you don't have to use all the fancy shit on it. I mean, this is mostly all that I ever fucking use, and,
Yeah.
and the tool and the.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know. Fucking piss of damn
rain.
bastard.
So if you just leave it on the back of the Morris Minor, fuck, we'll do two jobs at once.
I don't think the
I'll
Morris
get
one
I'll
is
get the
right.
jack.
Oh fuck, that's heavy, eh?
Yep.
See if you can lift that, don't you?
Don't hurt your back.
You can't even get it off the ground, don't you?
No.
Hey? Yeah, I got it off the ground.
Fuck, sorry, show me. Whatever. Oh yeah, yeah, it's off the ground. Oh yeah. Oh, you just carry it out. Yeah.
I'll do it with his one finger.
Yeah. Did you take your Viagra this morning?
Yep.
Yeah.
Down.
In towards the trailer.
Why don't you back the trailer under it? So coming in through here. Oh, it's beautiful.
Hooked onto it. Yeah. And the petrol, where the petrol line comes out of the fuel pump over here,
Yep.
goes round the loop like that. then onto the feed line that goes down to the back.
Yeah.
It's just screwed on there loosely, so even if we unscrew it, shove a pipe over it, over into the wheel well there with a
Oh, we just got an outboard tank.
A bottle
and
of
then you can
petrol.
pump it up with petrol.
Yeah.
You know, outboard you can pump them up and then you've got fuel pressure.
what I'm saying, then like you hit the starter, it fucking goes.
Right.
Put a choke and all that sort of shit. We put a seat in it. All the crap that's inside it, there's all the parts for the car.
Yeah.
I've still got a whole box of spares.
Why don't you wait?
Roll it back so she's a bit more straighter. And then can start backing up. This will keep straight back now. Yep. What?
You want it right up to the stop again?
Might have to have it right up.
Yeah, I think that'll be even.
No, it's taking the weight, it's taking.
Is that now?
Yeah.
So just there?
Yeah.
Now the story's
So
been
the motor
told.
purrs like a pussycat.
Yeah.
So what was
And Bob fixed the exhaust pipe.
Yeah.
It made no noise at all. So he straightened it a bit and took the muffler out so you can hear it slightly.
Well, no, it's
Yeah.
got a sound to it.
Yeah, you've got to have a bit of sound to it. Like, where is it written that you have to have it that quiet you can hardly hear it and the motor can't breathe?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll tell you, when that motor's running, mate, hot,
yeah.
it sits there idling so slow you can count the fucking fan blades turning around. Yeah. And it doesn't make any noise. The only noise it makes is the suck from the carburetor. Yeah.
He's going to put some extractors like the Buick. You heard that, ain't he? It sounds like a V8.
Linton cleaned his car up while we're waiting to load up. We got the tie downs out any loose.
make sure he doesn't damage us.
How's that? You know,
You're gonna hit this, you're gonna hit that. Yeah, you're alright.
hard back to get till it hits the wall. We should get enough right.
What? Now. Because we.
Yep, all right. Are you gonna miss that?
Yeah, you're missing it. You're missing it. Oh. Come have another reassessment. Just stay there, Bob, forever. It's not the rugby. Yeah, you got quite a bit actually. What if you did it all at the same time? Two, three, 4, 5.
We got this old rugby, just bounced it around. Yeah.
Yeah, but what about the jack that's in the back of
We could come back a bit now, probably.
Yeah. Come back slowly, Bob.
Yep.
the front's fine. You can actually move forward a bit now too if you want.
Full lock the other way, Bob.
Oh yeah, we've got about a foot up here. We'll do it.
Oh,
12 months before you want it out.
woo! Oh, you've got like about an
The
inch.
other way. Inch?
Yeah.
We might get it this time at a full lock because the wheel's quite a way back, so it'll be looking pretty good.
Don't say you want that out tomorrow.
Your car's breathing, so.
Yeah, right. Keep it full lock. Keep it full lock. Keep it full lock.
Right, keep it full lock.
Right, now swing it hard back. You might have walking room.
He's gonna have a sore chest if you don't watch out.
Right, come back.
Right,
Okay. Come back. Wait. Oh, that was easy.
that was easy, eh?
I thought
Probably no
that,
longer than that.
I thought that was tricky.
Have you got good sore chest?
Well, I
there?
should say that was a good fucking bull, whatever it was.
That's what it is, it's so.
You should be paying me good money for that workout.
Got the light too.
No.
No,
That's
look.
what makes me laugh, Gav, is why do people pay money to go to a gym? Just go and do some fucking work, you lazy pricks.
Buy it
That's
forward.
what you're going to be doing every Thursday.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and all that sort of carry on. And take it easy, mate.